Good morning. Where are you traveling today?
Good morning. I'm heading to Central City for a business meeting. Do you have any tickets left for the 10 a.m. train?
Let me check. Yes, we still have a few seats available. Would you like a one-way or a round-trip ticket?
A round trip, please. I plan to come back later this evening.
Great. The return train leaves at 6:45 p.m. Would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love watching the countryside go by during the trip.
Excellent choice. That will be $24. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Perfect. Please insert your card here. All right, it's approved. Here are your tickets. The train departs from platform 4. Boarding begins 15 minutes before departure.
Thank you. How long does the trip take?
About 2 hours. You'll arrive around noon depending on traffic along the route. The train makes 3 short stops before Central City.
That's perfect. I'll have time to grab lunch before my meeting. Is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, there's a cafe next to platform 3. They serve breakfast and light snacks. There's also a small bookstore and a convenience shop where you can buy water or travel essentials.
Sounds good. Do they sell phone chargers or travel adapters too?
They sure do. You'll find those at the counter near the entrance. Also, there are charging stations inside the waiting area if you want to charge your phone before boarding.
That's really helpful. I almost forgot to charge my phone this morning.
No problem at all. Just make sure you're back here by 9:45 a.m. so you don't miss the boarding call.
I will. One quick question. Can I bring my small suitcase and backpack on board?
Absolutely. There's overhead storage above each seat and additional space near the doors for larger bags.
Great! And is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available for all passengers. The network name and password are printed on your ticket. You'll also find power outlets beside most seats for charging devices.
That's wonderful. Do you happen to know if there's a restroom on board?
Yes, there are 2 restrooms located at the back of the train. They're clean and regularly maintained.
Excellent. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Have a safe and pleasant trip.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Tickets, please.
Good morning. Here you go.
Thank you. You're in seat 14A near the middle of the carriage. You can place your suitcase in the rack above or under the seat.
Great, thank you. Is the train usually on time?
Yes, we try to keep to schedule. We'll depart in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'm excited for the ride.
It's a beautiful route. Lots of scenery along the way.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead. That's your seat, I believe.
Thank you. Are you traveling to Central City as well?
Yes, visiting family. What about you?
Business meeting today, but I'll have some free time to explore. Any suggestions?
Definitely check out the Riverfront Market. It's about a 5-minute walk from the station. Great food and souvenirs.
That sounds perfect. I'll try that after my meeting.
You'll love it. Oh, and make sure to visit the old clock tower. It's one of the city's landmarks.
Thanks. I'll add that to my list.
Good morning. Would you like something to eat or drink?
Yes, please. What do you have today?
We have coffee, tea, juice, and some sandwiches. Also, cookies and chips for a quick snack.
I'll take a coffee and a cheese sandwich, please.
That'll be $6 total. Would you like sugar or milk with your coffee?
Yes, both, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, I will.
The view from this side of the train is incredible. Look at those mountains.
Wow, you're right. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful.
It's my favorite part of the journey. Every season looks different.
That's amazing. I'll definitely take a few photos.
Go ahead. The train slows down a bit here, so it's a good time for pictures.
Perfect. Thanks for the tip.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be arriving in Central City in about 10 minutes. Please gather your belongings and make sure you have your ticket and personal items with you.
Time flew by so fast. Thank you for the lovely company.
My pleasure. Have a successful meeting and enjoy your day.
Thanks. You too. Have a great visit with your family.
Thank you. Take care.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the taxi stand is?
Sure. Once you exit the main doors, turn right. You'll see signs pointing to the taxi and bus area.
Perfect, thank you. And are there lockers here where I can leave my suitcase for a few hours?
Yes, there are storage lockers just down the hall near the information desk. They're coin-operated.
That's very helpful. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time in Central City.
Thanks, I definitely will.